Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the car of the day, guys. This is a 2015 Ford Fusion. This is the SE trim level for this vehicle. And what you're looking at, guys, is a factory kit in Deluxe black stitching, black leather, Deluxe, guys. And this will fit the 2013 to 2016 Fusion SE, the Hybrid SE, the Titanium, and the Fusion S, guys. Guys, I know it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this upholstery kit is gonna look. Remember, this is not just sliding cover, this is upholstery work, guys. This is what we're doing right here. And again, this one is the standard, and if you want to elevate it to the next level, guys, get you cooling and heating feature, 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of heating and 3 levels of cooling, so you always cozy in your ride, guys. That's because some people say, oh, at least we're gonna get too cold or too hot in leather. No, there is temperature control features right here, and this is our top of the line, guys. If that's too much for you, you can at least get your heater, guys, because you want to be cozy in your ride while you're driving, right? And again, guys, let's take a look at the toy. And this is a beautiful car, guys. This is the Fusion. It's a stock, nothing special to it. And this is the issue, guys. It has horrible, stained, uncomfortable cloth seats. Look at that. Ew. Wow, this is horrible, guys. That's why people doesn't like cloth. Difficult to clean. Even if you clean it constantly, it adds to hundreds of dollars in the year. Look at that, guys. Jesus Christ. Horrible, stained and stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Switch to leather, leathertech.com, by upholsterytechnology.com, so you can order your factory kit, your custom design, over 60 different colors and endless combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns. You can order diamond, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycombs, and many others, guys. You want exotics? We have them. Ostrich, alligator, sway skin, everything available at leathertech.com by upholsterytechnology.com, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for you beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by upholsterytechnology.com, because we are demystifying the installation process, guys. It's not that difficult. And guys, if you want to save hundreds of dollars in your next kit, go to leathertech.com so you can fill up the form right there. This is for you to save hundreds, guys, because some prices are so low we cannot even publish them, guys. But get to that list, and every time we run a promotion, you will get huge discounts only available for the people in that list, guys. Right, Black Rat? Don't allow people to miss out. Please, guys, go to leathertech.com and fill up that form so you join the club. And wait for me to finish this installation so you can see this transformation, guys. How beautiful this crappy looking kit is gonna look, because right here we know how to do things, guys, and we can help you to do the same when you get your kit, if you decide to get hands-on. And if you are not that kind of person, you want, hey, Alicia, I just not the kind of guy that I want to take off this thing. So we tell you, we allow you to take it to your local installer that we already talked to them, so you know you are in good hands. So they know our product and they know how to do it right for you guys, so you can get your car quickly back in the road. Leathertech.com by upholsterytechnology.com, guys. Thank you for watching, and look forward for those videos before and after so you can see this transformation. Thank you, guys. And guys, it is completed. The 2015 Ford Fusion SE Nothing compared to what you saw this morning on the workbench, right guys? Beautiful finish. Leathertech.com by Upholstery guys, because you want leather. Get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Just beautiful, guys. You want it. Leathertech.com by Upholstery guys. You can order the factory kit just like this one, or a custom design. We have over 60 different colors and combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, honeycomb, and many others. Exotics like ostrich, alligator, soy skin, all of them available at leathertech.com by Upholstery guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by Upholstery. What do you think, guys? Should change the color? Let me show you the other side. Remember that we have this available for virtually any vehicle. Everything that is not in our catalog is gonna cost a little bit more. Please inquire. But guys, look how beautiful this Ford Fusion ended up looking. I believe the leather interior will outprice the cost of the whole vehicle. But guys, when you got a horrible, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats, it doesn't matter, you want leather. Visit leathertech.com, guys. We have a form right there if you want to save hundreds of dollars in your next purchase. Just put your information in that form. It takes less than a minute, and you will be part of a special club saving hundreds of dollars, prices that we cannot even publish for legal reasons, guys. You understand this? Go to leathertech.com, fill up that form, guys, and save hundreds of dollars in your next purchase. Thank you, guys, for watching. Put it in the comments. What do you think? Should we change the color? Probably put some white piping, something like that. Leathertech.com by Upholstery, guys. Thank you.